Okay, I guess last time my screen was not shared. Sorry. So this is how it looks in real. Okay, this is how the IC looks. This is the inside of the IC. See how the everything, small chips and all, everything is there. See. One second. Okay. I'm coming. Hello. Yeah. So this is how it actually looks. The IC in real. Okay. So now I will show you the application in Tinkercad. Is the circuit visible? Yes. Okay. One second. Okay. So see, these are batteries. Okay. We have taken 4 batteries. Okay. This is a multimeter. We have already like seen it, like when I was teaching you rectifier, I guess you already seen a multimeter. I don't remember properly, but I guess we have seen it. This is a multimeter. This is an IC. Okay. This is an IC, which is 748C00, which is a NAND gate. You don't know what a NAND gate is. Don't worry about all this. Okay, just remember that this is an IC. Okay? This is how the IC looks in Tinkercad. This is switch. Okay. Then here it is a register. You already know about the register. And then here is the LED. So now I'll simulate it. See, the LED is glowing, right? We haven't directly powered it, but see, it's going. Like we have powered the multimeter with it, and also we have connected it to the LED, and we can through the IC we can see how what amount of voltage is flowing to the this one LED. Okay, and this is the amount of current that is flowing, and this is the amount of voltage. So you try making this one right now, like, because we have time, so you can try making this one. Okay, what link? Um, Teacher, please send link. Tanishka, what link? Tinkercad link. Hello, Tanishka. Okay, okay, I'll send the Tinkercad link. One second. Wait, my laptop. It's kind of getting loud. 1 second. Sorry, I was facing an issue. Sorry, wait. Take this. This is the 1.5 volt battery. Okay, you just have to connect it. Like take 4 batteries like this and connect it. That's it. Hold. See, take this. Okay, then give the count. Wait. Change the count. You don't have to bring more batteries. See, like this. Okay, you can take a maximum 4 batteries. Take the batteries like that. Okay, type IC. Yeah, wait. 7408C00. This one. 7408C009 get. We need this one. Okay. Yeah, you have a doubt, Sumit. 1 second. Okay, which battery? Okay, I've showed you the battery and someone is asking. Okay, this is a switch. Like it is used for checking whether the IC is working properly or not. It's not like that kind of switch that we normally use, but this is the switch that is used to check whether the IC. This is called a dip switch. See, dip switch, and it has 4 components, and it's mainly like the 4 1 2 3 4. You can have 4 buttons, and you can use to check whether the IC is working properly or not. 1 second, Sumit, I'll unmute you. Yes, Sumit.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, first I have a login in the Tinkercad, but now I can see that it is coming. You have to log in.
Okay, you just log in, then you remember your password and all.
Uh, but ma'am, I have used my mother's password.
Okay, you can take her password again, then like her email address and password.
Yeah, but ma'am, I have forgot how to do that.
Okay, no issue. You can see the login, right?
Wait,
Already have an account, sign in or something like that will be there.
wait, ma'am. Login. Uh, Ma'am, here is coming. Welcome back. How will you sign in? Student, join your class. Email or username. Sign in with Google. Sign in with Apple. Don't have an account yet. Join Tinkercad.
You sign in with Google. You have signed in with Google before?
Yes.
Okay, click on sign in with Google.
Okay. Ma'am, here is coming Autodex. By clicking on continue, you agree to the terms.
What?
By clicking on continue, you agree to the terms. Autodex.
Yeah, you can click on agree. Like there will be a checkbox, I guess. So you can click on that.
Okay, now it is done, teacher.
Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, what is Tanishka? It is your password, Tanishka. Like I don't know what password I've given before to give the same password again. Okay, those who have done it, that's really good. And those who are not able to do it right now, take a picture because it's almost like we have only 10 minutes. So take a picture, everyone. I'll tell you again. You have for this, you have to click on battery. Okay, go to battery. Go to battery. Click on how many battery you need. Okay, and here you have the IC 74830. It's a 9 gate IC. This is the register, and this is the big switch. Component when you're doing it. If you have taken a picture, just type it in the chat box. Not starting. What do you mean by not starting? I guess you have given something great.